Guys, Albertson Hunter here, ready to bring you another Excel tutorial. And today we are going back to basics, and we are starting to learn a couple of functions that would allow us to learn the basics of Excel. So let's just go ahead and work with this list that I have here today. We are learning about the CountIF function. Okay, so first thing that I want to do, I have this list of guitar players. Okay, so on A1 I have the title for this, and then on B1 I have basically the one is for guitar player and the second is the country. All right, so I always like to just make this look nice. So let's select the A and B cells on one, and let's just add colors like the ones that I already have here. All right, and let's color it as well in here, so that we have something that looks nice. That's quite important to me, in terms of what I call aesthetics. And probably not the best color that you have ever imagined that I will use, but we're probably just gonna stick to that one for the moment. And I think that's just perfect right there. So what I'm trying to use here is a formula that will count the amount of guitar players that comes from a specific country. How do we happen to achieve that? Okay, we have several options. If we go to C, let's say C1, I want to just go ahead and start placing the CountIF function here. I will just give the range. Okay, this will be the range of I will say the countries that we have, and then the criteria. Okay, so this is the tricky part here. Okay, I want to be able to tell Excel, I want you to choose this or this or this cell in order for me to pass the parameter that will give me the idea of the criteria that we're looking for. In this case, I will use D1, and then we just close or parentheses and then just hit enter. There you go. Since I don't have anything here on D right now, let me just select this real quick so that you are aware of what I'm talking about. Since I have nothing right here right now, it's just a simple and plain cell. You will not be able to see if you have on a specific guitar player and the amount of it. So let's just go ahead and be a little bit sharp in this. Let's type in Nicaragua and hit enter. Immediately you will be able to see that you have one person that comes from that country. How about England? England is one as well, which is is great. How about Sweden? I don't know if it's case sensitive, but I will not be testing this. Just go ahead and type this right now. Sweden is just one. Brazil should be one as well, and then USA, that we have three of them. So this is one practical way of knowing how to count in different I will call it different criteria. You can tell him, okay, count this only if the criteria that I'm giving you is exactly like the one that you found on this set of cells. So you can also simply add by going to the data and then data validation, you can add in here a list and select the source, and you'll have now the possibility of choosing from a drop-down menu the countries that you're looking for. All right, let's just make a test. Maybe Nicaragua is one as well. Pretty much, you can basically count like this. How many guitar players do you have from a specific country, just by creating the drop down in here. This is quite amazing for learning basic stuff. So that's perfect. That's just perfect. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys in the next video.